Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get started with the Paycom app using your phone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the App Store in your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap at the search bar at the bottom and search for Paycom. Tap Get to download it. Once it installed, tap Open. Now you will see the Paycom login screen. Here, type company ID, username and password. Your company usually gives this information when you are hired, then tap login. After logging in, Paycom may ask you to set up extra security like choosing security questions or enabling Face ID or Touch ID. This helps to keep your account safe, so go ahead and set it up. Now you are on the home screen. Here you will see the main options like time clock, time cards, pay schedule and more. This is where you will handle everything work related in Paycom. And remember, the menu button at the bottom or top gives you quick access to all features. If you ever feel lost, just head back there. And that's it. You are all set up and ready to use Paycom on your phone with just a few steps. You can manage time, pay and more anytime, anywhere. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.